Nick.
Not now, Theo.
Okay.
EPOPS hopes you three have savored your last moments, just as we are about to savor you.
Your Majesty, we came because we have no home. We were banished from the city of Athens and have no place else to go.
Why come here?
It's the only place in all of Greece untouched by men and the gods. We came to escape it.
King EPOPS cannot escape the wrath of the gods. 'Twas the gods that made him like he is today.
Made him like what?
The spirit of the king trapped in the body of a molting savage.
You were once a man?
A man of men. A leader at the reins of a shining city.
What happened?
Lust for power akin to that of the gods. Athena and the Olympians saw a man reaching for something out of his grasp and punished him. King EPOPS was thus doomed to spend the rest of his life as a cuckoo bird, watching over his flock. Ah! How interesting! Please tell us more in elaborate detail. As a human, life was doom and gloom and misery. Every move was made by putting 5 foot down. And the ground, ugh, the ground. Such a vile, dirty mess when you're so young. If it's rainy, then it's muddy. If it's sunny, then it's dry. And nobody finds it funny when the weather goes away. But with feathers, I can feather any season. Like in rain, I hide in trees, and in heat, I coast the breeze. And as I cuckoo, I can cuckoo where I please. I can squeak, I can squawk, all I want. They can't speak, they can't talk, but they don't taunt, and they don't flaunt. Well, not to us. They also don't listen well, don't take orders well, don't make you feel admired or adored as well. Being king of duckings and jay and chicken is not being king at all if you can't disagree. No, it's nothing whatsoever, endeavor not at all, as compared to having servants at your every beck and call. Ah, but to be king, what a ring when you sing to be king. Whenever you make a small decision, never need to question for permission, cause it's not the whole wake up position when you're king. To be king, got that place, got that zing, to be king. Anytime you make a dumb proposition, never need to deal with opposition, that's the only politician when you're king. And the girls simply hurl themselves upon you. Women flock down the block just to stare. And each meal seems a leave sipping hooves or absent, roasting turkey on a seat, realizing that cheese can seem to sing like melodies, wall to wall of tasty volunteers today. God, it's been too long at least since my last fulfilling piece. Yes, but to be king, to be king, brings that spring to your swing, to be king.
Think about all the recognition.
Think about servants in submission,
Doing like your story commission
When you're king.
and it's a comfortable transition, going from your prior definition to now the easy addition of a more kingly disposition. Why couldn't this be intermission? A fantastic composition. Why can't I go back to being It's Athena. She devastates her own city to punish her citizens.
Why would she do that?
Athena has no power over her people unless they fear her. If only King EPOPS had people of his own to rule over, he would see to it that the gods would never harm